Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz S450 4MATIC. This one's in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels, black leather interior with a black poplar wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, S450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, all season floor mats, driver's assistance package with active lane assist, blind spot assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, speed limit assist, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, leather and wood steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for the media display, navigation, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This S-Class has 34,806 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.